Welcome. Today discuss about industrial safety. Catalog. Why do accidents happen? So let us be aware. The lock-in process. Safety equipment for electrician. Safety sinks. Fire safety and fire prevention. Things to be aware of in case of fire. When a fire breaks out. Fire classes. Fire extinguishers. As an electrician, accidents can happen in workplace. Electrical accidents are special among them because electricity is invisible to the eye. An accident is an unplanned, unexpected, infective event. Why do accidents happen? Ignorance, negligence, omissions, stress, natural cases, and drug and alcohol use. So let us be aware. Therefore, safety provisions in factories should not be removed. Example: covers for rotating parts and electrical parts not be removed. What is the lock-in process? That is when any maintenance or observation is carried out. The power supply provided to them should be separated and locked for them. Safety equipment for electrician. Safety helmet, safety goggles, safety gloves. Ear protection, safety mask, safety boots, safety belt, and safety jackets. Safety sinks. 4 types of safety sinks: warning sinks, prohibition sinks, mandatory sinks, information sinks. Warning sinks. Warning sinks used to indicate risk. Black on a yellow background within a black triangular frame. Prohibition sinks. Prohibition sinks used to indicate prohibition. It is in black on a white background in a red circular frame. There is also a line on the symbol. Next one, mandatory sinks. Mandatory sink used to indicate reading white on a blue background. Next one, information sinks. Information sinks used to indicate safety zone, white on a square green background. Fire safety and fire prevention. There are 3 elements that must be fulfilled for fire to occur: a combustible substance, a foul gas, and ignition temperature, a temperature required for combustion. Things to be aware of in case of fire. How to notify fire sinks hazards. Understanding fire escape routes and fire escapes. Understanding of fire extinguisher stations. When a fire breaks out, activate the hazard warning sinks. Try to put out the fire if possible. Exit the route without panic. Turn off all machine tools. Close all doors and windows, but do not lock them. Notify the fire department. Leave their way free. Fire classes. First class, solid materials such as wood, cloth, paper, packaging materials, and etc. Second class, because of flammable liquids like gasoline, diesel, thinner, etc. Third class. Fires caused by gases such as oxygen and methane, etc. Fire extinguishers. Water extinguishers. Water extinguishers has a red color label. Foam extinguishers. Foam extinguishers has a cream color label. Powder extinguishers. Powder extinguishers has a blue color label. Carbon dioxide extinguishers. Carbon dioxide extinguishers has a black color label. Now you can see the suitable extinguishers for fire classes. The first class suitable extinguishers are water, foam, carbon dioxide and powder. Second and third fire classes suitable extinguishers are carbon dioxide and powder extinguishers only, but not suitable water and foam extinguishers. Importantly, electrical fire suitable extinguishers are carbon dioxide and powder only, but water and foam extinguishers is not suitable. Use of ladder safely. Now you can see the angle and correct way to place the ladder. In this way safely barriers should be applied. 75 there must be an angle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.